Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick video on the removal and replacement of the reverse lights. We are going to change them from a halogen and we're going to go with LEDs so we get the bright white lights. It'll definitely assist us in reversing and seeing more of the flood pattern on the ground and seeing what's behind us. So here's what it looks like currently with the halogen bulbs. Just kind of yellow, nothing spectacular. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, we're just gonna open the lift gate. Got our pry tool kit here. So we're gonna replace the reverse lights. Just open our panel. To get to our bulb. A little twist. There's our halogen reverse light bulb. And grab our new LEDs. These are our bulbs from Antlion. They've got 6 that are straight back. They've got 15 on each side and then 6 on the edges. So it should be really bright. Just go ahead and plug in. Turn back. We'll just repeat the process on the other side. Okay, we're going to do on our passenger side. Pop down. Twist to the left. And then replace the panel. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and test our reverse lights. Wow, those are super bright. So we'll roll in some footage of them at night. All right guys, now we're gonna do our reverse lights. Woo! So I'm gonna back up. Crazy, big difference. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more installs.